Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the steps to simplify this expression and express it in its simplest form. So, let's get started. To begin solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5, we first need to simplify the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction. The numerator is x squared minus 25. We notice that this expression can be factored into the form of a difference of squares. A difference of squares is when you have an expression in the form of a squared number minus another squared number. Here, x squared is a perfect square, and 25 is also a perfect square because 25 equals 5 squared. So, we can rewrite the numerator x squared minus 25 as x plus 5 times x minus 5. This means the expression x squared minus 25 can be written in factored form as x plus 5 times x minus 5. So, now the original expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 is rewritten using the factored form, which gives us x plus 5 times x minus 5 divided by x plus 5. By rewriting it like this, we can see the fraction more clearly and determine the next step in simplifying it. The next step in solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 is to simplify the fraction by cancelling out common factors from the numerator and the denominator. Since we have rewritten the original expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 as x plus 5 times x minus 5 divided by x plus 5, we can see that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of x plus 5. When a factor appears in both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction, they can cancel each other out. Canceling out means that we divide both the numerator and the denominator by that common factor, effectively removing it from the fraction. So, we cancel out the x plus 5 in both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with the expression x minus 5 in the numerator and nothing in the denominator. Since x plus 5 divided by x plus 5 equals 1, therefore, the simplified form of the original expression is x minus 5 divided by 1. Since dividing by 1 does not change the value of a number, x minus 5 divided by 1 is just x minus 5. This is the final step. And the solution to the problem is that the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 simplifies to x minus 5.